This is concluding part of At School written by Subhash Chandra Bose. In this, we can study that farewell ceremony of headmaster Babu Beni Madhav Das is organized. Author wanted to learn in the class of headmaster, but he could not, as the headmaster teaches only to the second class. Unfortunately, Subhash Chandra Bose could not get the opportunity to learn from headmaster because the headmaster was transferred to another school. Headmaster aroused the respect for moral values in the mind of the author. He taught all the students that the rank is but Geneva's stamp, the man is the goal for all that. So these are the lines from Robert Burns' poems. What it means, the rank or position of the person is not important. Person cannot be given a prize, but the man's character is more important. So person who is overloaded with rank, like a Juena coin, is stamped with an image, but the person himself is more important than this rank or prize, according to this Madhav Das. And due to this, he aroused that feeling of good moral values or perception of moral values in the minds of his students. So at the end, when that headmaster was parting, author remembered that scene. Headmaster blessed all his students. Literally, he went to every class, he entered the classroom, visibly moved, and in a voice with full of emotion of sorrow, he said, God bless you, all my students. So, with this, he blessed all his students, but at that time, here internally, Subhash Chandra Bose cried a lot. When he was unable to control his that cry, he came outside the class, and at that moment he cannot control his crying. So in this way, here he cannot bear that parting of his headmaster. Actually, he was in that sorrowful situation, and author says he stood paralyzed for a moment, and he came up to say that we would meet again. This was, according to author, first time in his life he was crying for somebody, and in that way he realized that only when we are forced to part do we discover how much we love somebody. So here again that lesson is given by Subhash Chandra Bose to us, that when we cry on somebody's parting, that means we do love that person. ज्या व्यक्तीच्या सोडून जाण्यामुळे आपण रडतो, त्या व्यक्तीवर आपण खरंच प्रेम करत असतो. आणि आयुष्यात पहिल्यांदा सुभाषचंद्र बोस यांना कळालं की ते आपल्या हेडमास्टरवर खूप प्रेम करत होते. आणखी एक प्रसंग त्यांनी सांगितला, द व्हेरी नेक्स्ट डे देअर वॉज अ पब्लिक मीटिंग ऑर्गनाइज्ड बाय द स्टाफ अँड स्टुडंट्स, and that was to give farewell to the headmaster, and he was one of those who was going to speak at that moment. Author was going to speak, and how I got through my part I do not know, असं इथे लेखक म्हणतो. म्हणजे मी कसं बोलू शकलो मलाच कळलं नाही. सो इंटरनली ही वॉज क्राईंग ॲट दॅट मोमेंट ऑल्सो. त्या भाषणामध्ये सुद्धा ते मनात रडत होते. I was, however, painfully surprised to find that there were many among the staff and students who did not realize at all what a sorrowful event it was. पण कुठेतरी काही लोक असेही होते की ज्यांनी त्या प्रसंगावर कुठलंही दुःख व्यक्त केलं नाही असं त्यांनी सांगितलं. बट ॲट दॅट मोमेंट स्पेशली दॅट हेडमास्टर स्पोक in reply. His words seemed to pierce through that Subhash Chandra Bose's soul, and he could not listen him. Just he listened the first two words spoken by that person, and then Subhash Chandra Bose just observed that very sorrowful face of Babu Beni Das. So in this way, he came across the personality very influential one. And finally, here Subhash Chandra Bose compares this Babu Beni Madhav Das with Keshav Chandra. Was that Keshav Chandra? Keshav Chandra was the founder member of Brahmo Samaj, who had an abiding influence on the life and the personality of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and even on Netaji's father Janakinath Bose. So in this way, finally, there is an end of this particular